So we out of space. So the first thing that I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to create some space. I'm going to let it keep playing, but I'm going to hit the pencil right here. I'm going to put this on arrangement. I'm going to hit the pencil, and I'm going to bounce this to an audio track. I'm going to hit bounce. It says it's going to stop playback. So we're going to say okay. So we have our strings bounced, right? So now let's go ahead and delete that. We don't need it. Delete the track. Let's go check our memory. We're at 78, but let's just go ahead and fill it. Go ahead and free it up, right? Go to arrangement, bounce the audio track, press bounce. All right. Now we got that. Let's go back to our piano, hit the pencil. Let's delete the track. Let's go over to our synth. You know, let's hit, we got to be on arrangement, hit our pencil. Go to bounce audio track, boom. Now we got that down, right? Let's go erase that. Hit our pencil, hit delete, boom. Let's go to our bass. Bounce to audio track. Now we got that, right? Let's go ahead, erase that. I want to leave my drums. The reason why we go to Luxa, our plucks, let's go ahead, hit our pencil, bounce that to our audio track. The reason why I want to keep my drums is because I don't want to live with those drums forever. I could still play the mutes over the drums and build the drums out and do some other stuff. But we need to free up memory, and we could keep growing, all right? So now, all we have is this piano track. Let's go ahead and bounce that. If we want to keep building, if we want to do more mixing, if we want to do anything, essentially we needed to free up some space, right? So let's go erase our piano track. Now let's go, we only using 24% of our memory now, right? And we got the same beat playing. We could still hit our mutes.